Hello everyone, I just want to quickly show you what we got coming up in regards to unboxing and review. So we recently purchased this. It's a drone, and we'll go through that in more detail with spare batteries. And we also have the smart light. Then what we bought is 2 action cameras at 2 different price points, just to compare the features, the quality of the video, and which one you should look for if you want to purchase something similar. And I'll post all the links and price I purchased them at on the description as I review them.